Welcome to the business story of Heinz, the household name that's become synonymous with bottled ketchup. Like many great tales, this one begins humbly. In 1869, Henry John Heinz, just 25 years old, started a small food processing company. With a keen eye for quality and an innovative spirit, he began his journey not with ketchup, but horseradish. Business was not always smooth sailing. During the 1875 economic crisis, Heinz's horseradish business tanked. But true to his character, Heinz didn't wallow. He saw an opportunity in the crisis, and that was the birth of Heinz ketchup. Heinz ketchup launched in 1876, with one core principle: to do a common thing uncommonly well. This principle set Heinz apart, leading to a breakthrough in the market. His commitment to quality made Heinz ketchup an instant success. The real game changer came in 1896, when Heinz introduced a unique marketing strategy: 57 varieties. This slogan created an illusion of choice, making consumers believe they had an array of options. This brilliant tactic was a milestone in the history of advertising. In 1905, Heinz built the largest food processing facility worldwide. This state-of-the-art plant allowed Heinz to meet the soaring demand for its products, marking a new era of mass production in the food industry. Heinz continued to innovate, introducing the iconic octagonal glass bottle in 1890. Functional and aesthetic, this design ensured that every tomato used could be seen, reinforcing their commitment to quality and transparency. By the time of his death in 1919, Heinz had transformed his small horseradish venture into a global brand. His legacy continues to dominate the industry, with Heinz ketchup being sold in over 200 countries today. In the world of business, Heinz's story is a resounding testament to resilience, innovation, and unwavering commitment to quality. It teaches us that success is not only about doing something different, but doing something better.